manage your emotions, develop emotional intelligence, but use natural solutions. And that includes essential oils, that includes supplements. Hey, it's Lance McGowan here, and today I'm going to be reading off one of the messages that I've received on my social media with somebody that was asking a question. Alright, here we go. Let's go. Alright, so here we go. This is from Mary, and she asks, "Hey, Lance, my name is Mary, and I live in Carlsbad, California. So my family are visiting my sister's family, and I would really want to learn how to blend essential oils and attend one of your classes. I'm taking my sister and my mom to learn with me. I saw your website and sense that we will really learn a lot from you. I would like to learn how to mix essential oils for anxious feelings, stress, muscles. Do you think we'll have an availability before, next week or so? Thank you so much, Mary." Well, Mary, thank you for the message, right? Yeah, definitely. I think there's a lot of different ways that you can approach stress, muscles, anxious feelings. Number of different solutions that I offer in my Natural Solutions class. But in general, citrus oils will be very uplifting when it comes to mood, and then there's some mood oils and blends that can definitely help, and they're already pre-made, so that kind of gives you the best of a lot of different worlds, the plant worlds, so to speak. And then with regards to, stress, that is kind of like what happens as anxious feelings arise as well. And that actually, there's a great resource for that. So if you're an employee, if you're an entrepreneur, or if you're an executive, or if you work from home, work in an office, work in the field, or if you're on commission or salary or hourly, I have a great resource, which is the 30-day guide to reducing stress at work. And how this applies is because basically it's how you can quickly and easily manage your emotions, develop emotional intelligence, but use natural solutions. And that includes essential oils, that includes supplements to support your wellness and health, to get you from where you are to where you want to be. And with regards to muscles, I do talk about that in there as well, and there's a number of different other solutions. There's a blend, there's a number of oils that support really just your joints as well and help you in so many different ways. And so that's stuff that and details that I offer either over the phone with folks that are out of state and not able to make it to Las Vegas, or I offer a weekly or a monthly class here in Vegas as well. And then I also have webinars and stuff like that. So, and then obviously my YouTube channel. So there's lots of ways to learn and grow and really help not only yourself but your family and your sister and other people too. And so yeah, that concludes today's Ask Lance mini-series here. That's right. These are some definitely topics that are really, really great to learn about. And yeah, the class is awesome. So the class is super laid back, super chill, and we just go over a handout. And it's called the Natural Solutions for Your Health Handout. Yeah. Well, that concludes everything. Thank you so much for watching. Hit the like button if you did. Hit subscribe for future video updates. And if you have a question that you'd like answered, you can just send me an email, and I'll have the information below, and then we'll go from there. All right. And then have a great day, and I'll see you in the next video.